Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to delete emails simultaneously in Gmail on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail, and now if you want to delete it simultaneously, you just have to tap and press for a second like this, and we'll see here at the top the select all options here guys. If you want to remove all your emails, you just have to tap on this option until it's a check mark like this. And if you don't want to delete all the message, you can choose by tap on the first emails like this, tap and press, and now you just have to choose and select the email that you wanna delete like this. And after, here at the top we'll see the trash icon. If you want to delete it, you just have to tap on this trash icon, just go ahead, and at the bottom we'll see that 5 deleted, which is the 5 emails before we selected is already deleted. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to delete emails simultaneously in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.